Welcome to iHandy.com. In this video, Ashley will show you how to field strip and clean your Glock. Release and pull out the magazine. After making sure the chamber is clear, safely dry fire the gun. Using your right hand to hold the top back of the gun like so. Use your left hand to pull down the slide lock. Slightly pull the slide back. Remove the slide forward. Push forward and pop out the recoil spring. Lastly, remove the barrel from the slide. Dip your cleaning brush in gun solvent and begin scrubbing the inside rails of your slide. Scrub the barrel's opening, removing any carbon buildup. Do the same for the inside top of your frame, focusing on the metal slide points. Scrub down the outside of the barrel. Don't forget to scrub the recoil spring as well. Dip a long bristled brush into your solvent. Slide down the inside of your barrel from breech to muzzle. Change out the bristle for a patch holder. Slowly slide the patch through the barrel, breech to muzzle until it is clean. Adding a few drops of gun oil to a new patch, wipe down the outside of the barrel. Using a new patch, wipe down the inside of your slide. Repeat this process for the recoil spring. And lastly, the top of your frame. Grab the bottle of oil and place one drop on these 3 points of your frame. Now, to piece your gun back together, turn your slide upside down and load the barrel muzzle first. Pop in the recoil spring so that the balled end is in the hole near the muzzle. Place the slide at the front of the frame and slide backwards, locking it in place. Dry fire once again. Your Glock is now ready to use. Have fun and always be safe.